Living in this house now on my own is a reminder every day of what I've lost, because I should be living here with him. You know, we should be making a life together. We should be thinking about retiring together. We should be thinking about going on holidays together.
I think I'll forever be angry because she took my best friend away from me. And she made that choice. Yes, it wasn't planned. She didn't go out that day and think, oh, I'm going to hit someone. But she did make a choice, and it was a very poor one.
So undoubtedly, in fatal cases, the most common accident scenario is junctions. It's an area where there's most conflict between road users, especially motorcyclists.
I saw what can happen so very quickly, and like in an instant, how quickly you can go from being safe to not safe, and how devastating that can be to your whole life.
Everything else can wait. That incoming phone call can wait. That change of song that you don't like, it can wait. Always make sure that you're 100% focused.
What the Take Another Look campaign means to me is an opportunity to save motorcyclists' lives. It's a simple message, easy to remember, easy to grab onto, easy to implement.
It's going to stop people from getting killed. It's going to stop these things from happening to anybody else.